My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
Oh, there's this little tool that came with my 3D printer that is like, I think it's like somewhere between like a plier and a cutter thing, and that's my favorite tool. I use it for everything, cutting epoxy, cutting glue, like glue gun glue. I cut everything with it. It's my favorite tool. I guess well, there was this project I made in middle school that was a boat that someone could actually be on with milk cartons. And that's what we made. Like my friends and I made that for school, and we actually competed across a pool with it, and it was pretty good. Yeah. My advice is a few things. Just be patient. Be sure that you're going to make a lot of mistakes and you're going to break a lot of things before you make something, and that's part of building. And don't be discouraged if you make a mistake. That's part of it. Yeah.
Okay.